Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's July 14th, 2025, and it's about 9:20 in the morning. And it's about 83 degrees, sun's out, and the sky is blue. Sure is pretty. I'm gonna have to run to the store, get some gas before it gets too hot. I'm gonna take the open top Jeep and drive down the pavement real slow. It gets pretty hot. It's not so bad on the open road, but in traffic, it's not good. So I'm ready to move on it. So it looks like I'm in a hot one.